In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install Redux Trainer Mod in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition. Check my video description for these two mods download link. Once download done, double click on the setup.exe and select yes option. Select accept and select next. Select browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition game folder and select OK and select next. Next, install. Once this installation done, finish. I click on the Redux Trainer and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. I click on the game and select Open File Location. Open Game Face, Binaries, Win64, Clio. Drag and drop this JS file in this location and now you can start the game. Once you are in game, press the F1 key to open up this Redux Trainer. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. To show you guys the trainer is working, go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, choose the vehicle type you want to spawn, choose the vehicle, and to close this menu, press the F1 key and you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.